I want to show you this really cool new trigger I put in my APC223. I also want to show you something really cool that I wasn't expecting it would do. Hey there, all you quarantine content consumers. Sean Burrows with B&T USA and Team Federal. I just finished an awesome installation video showing step-by-step how I installed the new Elftmann Tactical Match Pro trigger into my APC223 and my APC9 that I use in competition. That's going to be out later this week, but I couldn't wait to show you this one feature, so I wanted to show it to you now. Check this out. Here I've got my APC308. Haven't put the trigger in it yet, so I can show this to you. Charge the gun. I can put it on safe. Just fine, right? Just like an AR-15. Can't pull the trigger, take it on, get it ready to fire. I can pull the trigger, but I can also put it on safe when it's not cocked. It's a very common feature in high-end European guns. You'll find this on HKs as well. Then when you go to put an aftermarket trigger in, if you can even do that, you lose that feature. That disclosure was made to me when I talked to my friends at B&T about putting in a non-mil-spec trigger because I want to be able to go fast. I want a single-stage trigger. I want a match trigger. I want to shoot fast. I want to turn this into a race gun. Not a big deal. I'm used to only having to put it on safe if there's something in the chamber and it's cocked. To further illustrate, here's an AR-15. If it's cocked, I can put it on safe. Take it off safe, I can pull the trigger. This is an Elftmann trigger. It's no longer charged. I can't put it on safe. All right, I've made my point. Check this out. First of all, isn't that a beautiful trigger? Okay, charge the gun, whatever, it's cocked. Of course I can put it on safe. Take it off safe, put it on safe. When it's on safe, I can't pull the trigger. It's solid, it's like a stick in concrete. Ready to fire, 2-pound trigger pull. Isn't that beautiful? No longer charged. It's got a little play there, whatever. Put it on safe. I can put it on safe. It doesn't move at all. Pretty cool, huh? I just think it's neat. I don't lose a safety feature that was built into the gun. Anyway, more about how adjustable and cool this trigger really is in the installation video that's coming in about a week. You guys be safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the range soon. Oh, hey, one more thing. The vlog is coming back. I've had more than enough requests to justify it. I think I'm gonna do like a season 2 because it's been so long since the last vlog episode. A lot has changed and a lot's gone on. So please subscribe, look for it. It's coming this week. First episode of season 2. Subscribe, see you later.